Hi, we're Vimy, a digital agency specialized at creating online success for companies like yours. Since 2010, we've helped over 250 companies grow their online revenue and streamline their digital operations. Our specialty are invisible giants, B2B companies in industry, manufacturing, and finance that operate on a vast scale but aren't well known by the general public. Over the past decade, we've delivered designs to True, Siam Commercial Bank, and Sumitomo. We've created sites and web apps for organizations like Dunlop, Kirloskar, and the United Nations Development Program. And we've supported the likes of Microsoft, 7-Eleven, and AON with marketing collateral for a variety of needs, audiences, and mediums. Contact us today for consulting, design, and development, and guarantee the success of your next digital and marketing projects.